Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting on an Oppo A54 with the essentials already handled: charged battery and your screen PIN ready. Go to Settings, then About Phone, and find Version or Software information. Once you see Color OS details or build number, tap build number 7 times quickly. You'll be prompted to enter your PIN to verify it's you. This step unlocks developer access. It's a deliberate security gate, so you must authenticate. After the last tap, you'll see a short confirmation that developer options are enabled. Once developer options is enabled, navigate back to Settings, then Additional Settings, and open Developer Options. You'll see a master toggle at the top. Flip it on to reveal the full list. Now make specific choices. Enable USB debugging if you'll connect to a PC, and enable OEM unlock only if you plan to unlock the bootloader later. Be careful with toggles like background process limit. Change them only if you understand the impact. Enable what you need. Leave critical defaults alone. Finish by configuring useful options. Set window, transition, and animator scale to 0. 5x for snap your UI, and confirm USB debugging prompts when you connect to a computer. When finished testing, revoke USB debugging authorizations to keep the device secure. If developer options didn't appear, restart the phone and recheck About Phone. On some Oppo builds, build number sits inside software information. As a last resort, update Color OS or contact Oppo support, and make sure your screen lock is active before retrying the taps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.